For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News9 Digital and I'm Deepak. Well, India has already been hit by a heat wave and Delhi, for that matter, has seen a 44 degrees Celsius temperature today, and the IMD has said that this is just the beginning for Delhi, Punjab, Chhattisgarh and even Rajasthan, as the IMD has signaled red alerts in these places, saying that on Tuesday the temperatures might soar up to 45 degrees Celsius. And this is quite alarming, and for those of y'all who are wondering as to what you can do during this heat wave and how to stay cool during this particular heat wave, I've got it all covered for y'all, because I'll be telling y'all about the do's and don'ts. So let's start off with the do's, because those are the most important things that you'll need to know. So the first one is increase water intake. So on a normal basis, we drink close to 4 liters of water every day, but during a heat wave, you'll have to drink anywhere between 8 glasses to 10 glasses of fluid in a day to keep yourself cool. And the second one is eat light. The diet should be a major part of your your daily life, as a diet plays very important role. So keep your diet very light, very sufficient, and don't eat too much, because that might cause a lot of problems for y'all during heat wave. And the third point is wear lightweight, light colored and also loose along with porous cotton cloths, which means if you wear a dark shirt, it is a good absorbent of heat. So wearing a black shirt or a dark green shirt will only make it worse for you all. So wear light colored clothes, cotton clothes especially, to stay cool. And after that, you'll have to also wear protective goggles. So during a heat wave, it is very hard to see, because even your eyes will be watery, and for y'all to bear that kind of heat, you'll have to wear protective goggles as well. So wear protective goggles and keep your eyesight also safe. Along with that, when you're traveling, always carry a couple of bottles of water with you, because heat wave will obviously make you all dehydrated, and in order to avoid such a situation, you'll have to always keep yourself updated with a couple of bottles of water, which will help you all a lot. So more than that, you'll have to keep your home cool. That is, you'll have to cover your windows with curtains, light colored curtains, and also during the night, you'll have to keep the windows open, because you don't want to sleep in an oven-like room, right? So for y'all to stay cool at night, leave a few windows open, and also have a few curtains, especially light colored curtains, which will allow ventilation in your house. So moving on from that, a lot of attention should be given to pregnant workers and those with medical conditions, because they are not used to surviving, or rather living during a heat wave. So for them to stay protected, you'll have to take utmost care and also provide them with all the precautionary measures, like you should keep them hydrated, make sure they wear light clothes, also wear protective goggles like I mentioned earlier. So make sure that the animals in your vicinity are also safe from the heat wave, and by that you can also provide them plenty of water to drink. You can provide them food, and yeah, keeping a bowl of water for a dog in your vicinity wouldn't cost you much. It is free, it is available freely at home. And for birds as well. So birds are bearing the brunt of heat wave directly, because they are flying in the skies under the sun. So keeping a bowl of water for them will help them a lot. And along with that, the most important thing that you all need to do is listen to radio shows, watch television, keep yourself updated with the latest news and also updates from the IMD as to how the situation is in your particular region, so that you can take additional steps in order to stay cool. So these are about the do's, and now moving on to the don'ts. You should avoid going out in the sun, especially between 12 and 5 in the noon. So apart from that, you shouldn't do a lot of heavy loaded outdoor work, since heat wave is very dangerous for yourself, and it could take a toll on your health as well. So keep your physical activity outdoors to a minimal level and avoid working out a lot. Okay, and apart from that, you should also avoid alcohol, tea, coffee and carbonated soft drinks. For those of y'all who think that drinking carbonated soft drinks will keep you cool during a heat wave, well, your thought process is probably wrong, because these carbonated soft drinks only add to the problem. Follow these do's and don'ts, and by following these, you will stay cool and also avoid facing the brunt of the heat wave. So for those of you guys who have liked this video, please do comment, like, share and also subscribe to News9 on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you for watching.